Hello everyone, we are here at Sambogi Gym to celebrate our Mother's Day with Daniel and Princess. Hello son! I hope you enjoy your bonding tonight because today is a Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to your mommy and to your two sisters, okay? God bless you son, you eat well, more. Hello sister! Happy Mother's Day! You eat well sister, God bless you! Enjoy eating! Yaba! Hello! Hi! Princess! Hello everyone! Enjoy eating everyone! God bless! Princess! Hello! Thanks for the treat! Oh, thank you! God bless you everyone!
Picture tayo, mamaya ko na natin. Ha? Hindi, dito ko na. Hanggang 8 lang na. Can take a picture.
Hey, well. God bless everyone!
Ako, picture na tayo. Hanggang alas 8 lang tayo.
Hello sister! Ay, kamuputi ha?
Para may print out tayo dyan, oh. Maganda yan, oh.
God bless everyone! Princess, hello, son!
Ayaw ko na ka na.
You eat well, ha? Happy Mother's Day to all of you. God bless everyone.
Look, Mama's taking a video. We haven't got there already.